Good morning. Hi, this is Ebenezer Sam Edwin. I'm happy to introduce to you our new and updated Flex supply chain software. This is applicable to both manufacturing as well as all the service industries. And also we provide 24/7 live support. Our product will be installed within 3 to 5 days in Qatar, Dubai, in all the Gulf region. And also we provide live support in all the areas in UK, Europe, and also for the rest of the world. So I'll introduce to you about this new product and will give you a short demo of this. You can create a new work site. Say for example we want to have a site in Texas. Want to name it as Texas manufacturing site. It's in the state of Texas. Let's give the postcode. The country United States. We give the telephone number. We also give the email address. So now we have created a new site called as Texas manufacturing site. It's all cloud access, and we have to select our work site with this Texas manufacturing site. Now we can add new products to our site. Say for example we want to add centrifuge. So we give the barcode. So we give the manufacturer. So give the model number. So this warehouse classification is under equipments, and we have the current US dollars. So for example it is 75,000 US dollars. We give an additional details about this particular product. So we are creating this centrifuge. Say for example you want to add 10 centrifuges. And we want to add one more product, maybe OptiPress. So we can give our own manufacturer as well. So warehouse classification, it will be also under equipments. So current US dollars, so this is about 40,000 US dollars. for example, we have for 20 opti presses in our Texas manufacturing site. So you can see what products we have in our sites. Also you can search by product name. Also here you can even add items or view them. Also you can make appropriate changes to them as well. Say for example, this is a big construction site and we have different equipments. We want to manage them. We don't know which equipment is where, and sometimes they even get lost or stolen, and if you're not properly managing them. And also sometimes in a big organization where we have multiple sites, we might need to purchase different equipment. Sometimes there might be equipments available in one site which is not being utilized properly. And also if there's a particular manager or supervisor managing the equipments, and if they get promoted or they leave the organization, nobody knows where the equipments are, and nobody is so looking after them, and nobody is accountable for them as well. So this software helps to solve all those problems, and also helps to maintain the inventory as well of all the equipments, and also for safety as well. So we have designed this software to cater to all the organization's needs, and also we provide live support, and also we make it according to the organization's needs and requirements. And also you can see the graphs as well of how many equipments we have. For example, we created about 10 centrifuges and 20 opti presses, as you can see in our inventory as well. You can see graphically, and also you can make the changes as well accordingly, and it is accessible everywhere from any devices. You can use mobile phones, iPad, iPhones, anywhere it's applicable, and you can access it from anywhere, any part of the world, and at any time. And also it's double security as well, so you can be rest assured that nobody is breaking into and stealing any equipments or anything like that. So if you want to move some of the items from one side to another, you can do this as well here. Say for example, you want to move from Texas manufacturing site. You want to move the centrifuge. For example, you want to move 5 centrifuges. So it also shows the price of item, unit item. And we can move from Texas manufacturing site to Six Sigma Qatar engineering site. So this is the cost of unit item and total for 5 items. Also for shipping, all the 5 items. For each item you can give $1,000. For packing, $200 per unit. So you can also manage the tax percentage as well, whichever country you are in and where you are transporting as well, buyer as well. So you need not worry about invoice as well, it automatically generates invoice. So it is moved successfully from Texas side to Qatar, Six Sigma Qatar side. In the accounting we can look at the invoice as well, which is being currently generated for the recent movement of the item from Texas to Qatar. So you can see the invoice which is being generated, which is very simple and easy to use as well. So likewise we can see the invoice of all the items which has been moved and can keep track of all this very easily. Also you can give the tax percentage as well, how much ever you want to keep. Now let's move into the safety aspect of it. It is asking whether you want to create a new safety design. Yes. Calibration. When you want to do it as well. For example, you want to do it on third of July. Maintenance. Copy and paste them as well. It'll be easier for us to use it. Critical settings. Can save it. So for each item you can even do the result. So for example, you want to do this and the person is doing it and can check it and say whether it passed. So you can see how simple and how effective it is. When you keep it simple, everybody in the organization also try to get involved in this, and also we get a lot of empowerment. We give a lot of empowerment to staff members to make appropriate decisions. Also they are accountable and so motivated to make changes in the organization. So we also create an invoice as well. This new update for each and every safety aspect. So for safety, how many units we did. Example, we did a safety check for 5 units, and the cost for it is $500 per unit. Service charge $100 per unit. So you can see the tax which has been updated to 3%. To select a valid buyer for this. It is very user friendly and it prompts you with anything which you have missed as well, and so new invoice is also being created. So you can see the previous runs as well, who did this, and you can see my friend Oman, we did this on 26th of June. You can even look at those items for temperature. So everything is available and it's very easy to use. Also we can give access accordingly to managers, supervisors. You can see all the safety runs here. We can also do a safety run for a particular item. So as you can see how much simple and how much easy is it. So anybody in the organization can get trained and use it within minutes. It is very simple. That's the reason we made it very simple for anybody to use it. Previously we used to have like very big and complicated softwares which you need specialized training, and if that person leaves the organization or like gets promoted, it's very difficult to manage those equipments. Now this is very simple, anybody can do it anywhere and at any place. That's the benefit of this software. Please contact us for installing this software in your organization. Also we provide live support, 24/7 live support, and we have a lot of successful installations in different organizations, and it's applicable to all industries and all organizations. Thank you. Thanks for your time. Have a great